Hello, this video is part of a series for the Qigong 12 Rivers. This is the stomach meridian. We're going to cover one arm raising and crane looks behind. Having completed your warm-up, you will be joining me in the Dantian position. So left hand on just below your navel, right hand on the top, sinking down. Breath in and breath out. And so let's start with one arm raising. So you're going to join your hands as if holding that ball, and then turn. Top hand raises to the top, turns, bottom hand down, stretching up and looking with your gaze. Bringing the hands back together, squeezing that ball, and then circling them round. Squeeze the ball, lower the knees gently. And then one arm raising up, bottom hand drops, stretching up. Squeeze the ball, squeeze the ball, and then circle in the hands. So let's do that now again in real time. So bring these hands from the Dantian into the ball, and then switching up, squeeze the ball, circle in the hands, squeeze the ball, look up, stretching up, squeeze the ball, circling the hands. And then coming back to your Dantian position, lowering those knees, gently lowering that breath as slow as you can. Now we're going to come into crane looks behind. So there's a few elements to this. So just be patient with yourself. First of all, I'll demonstrate it. So you're going to raise your hands. You're going to turn. This bottom leg comes round to the short end of your mat or to the side. This hand is now going to come forward. You're going to form a beak. So it's going to come forward, form a beak. This hand, the opposite hand to this, same hand as this leg, is going to come behind you. And you're going to swivel round and look behind you. Dropping the hands, come up. Switch to the other side. So let's do that again. From here, raising the hands, switching the weight and the head, coming round, Crane looks behind. So the crane aspect is your hands. So this hand, the back hand is pointing up. This hand is pointing down. So there's your hand. Your weight is in your front leg. So you're coming from weight in both legs. You're sending the weight into your back leg, swiveling on your heel as you take your hands round, leaning into this leg, but keep this foot flat for steadiness. We're not balancing, so keeping that leg foot flat, this leg, this arm then raises. You're stretching these meridians, and then you're turning and looking behind you. And then you're resetting to the center and turning the other way. Whoop. Here we go. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. So if you're struggling with that, just start with your hands. Practice. And then practice the legs. So from here, you're swiveling, leaning in, coming back. Now let's put that together, shall we? 12 rivers, stomach, meridians, earth.